What are some of the challenges homeowners and renters, what are they facing right now?
Sure. So we perform weekly housing surveys. And one of our more recent surveys, we've seen that about a third of mortgage holders and about 40% of renters are facing some type of financial impact due to COVID-19. But more than 60% of the people that we surveyed showed that they were unaware what options to have if they couldn't pay their monthly housing payment. So people really need information about options that are out there, and they're
Okay.
facing unprecedented financial difficulty.
So if homeowners can't pay their mortgage because of COVID-19 financial hardship, what are some of the options for assistance?
Sure. So if you have a mortgage that's owned by Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, or it's a government backed mortgage, forbearance may be an option. The forbearance refers to a temporary reduction in your monthly mortgage payment or a temporary suspension of your mortgage for a period of time.
What about renters? Is there any relief for renters, any assistance available for them?
Yeah, so if you're a renter, one of the first things you should do is talk to your landlord. Tell them about your financial situation and see if they're willing to do some type of prepayment plan. Outside of that, you could go to fanniemae.com and type in your apartment building. We may finance it. If we finance your apartment building and we're giving forbearance to the owner of that apartment building, they may not evict you due to non-payment of rent. And that's important for renters to know. Additionally, if Fannie Mae finances your apartment building, you're eligible for free counseling from a HUD approved counselor through our disaster response network.
Wow, that's really good information. Good to know. Now, are there any misunderstandings about these options that are available?
A huge misunderstanding for foreclosure that I mean for forbearance that I think has led a lot of people to be afraid to take forbearance is that once their forbearance is over, they're going to need to pay back all their amounts at one time. And that's just not true. You don't have to make a lump sum payment. There are a lot of ways you can pay it back, including repayment plans, payment deferrals, or loan modifications. Information on all these terms is available on our website.
Very good. Now, is anyone eligible for this relief?
Again, you should, if you're a homeowner and your loan is owned by Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, or backed by the federal government, you're eligible for the relief options I'm discussing. It's most people don't know who owns their loan, and a good way to tell is to use lookup tools. We have a lookup tool on our website. You could just type in your address and find out immediately if Fannie Mae owns your mortgage. If we do not, the link for Freddie Mac is also right next to our link on our website,
And what about
fanniemae.com.
homeowners that are already in forbearance, but they're worried about that ability to be able to pay their mortgage once again?
If you're already in forbearance and your forbearance is going to be ending soon, but your financial hardship hasn't changed, don't be afraid to call your mortgage servicer, the person that you typically pay your monthly payments to, and ask them to extend your forbearance. You're always eligible for forbearance. If your financial situation has improved, it might be time to look into some of the options that I mentioned, including payment deferrals or loan modifications.
All right, Danielle McCoy with Fannie Mae. Thanks for your time today. And for more information, you can visit fanniemae.com.